too. Let's see. So, okay. Nothing really, man, from...
Good night. This guy, I think he's going to be going for a while. He thinks he's giving arguments, you know, before the Supreme Court or something. He's just going to go on and on. We're going to hit the pause button. I want to bring in my guests because I know they've got a lot to say about what we're seeing here. Michael Bixson in the studio, Sonny Slaughter standing by remotely. What do you think about Mr. Tucker, Michael?
I think he's doing a terrible job. I think he's doing, at least for this motion, right? I think he's, and to be fair, like, it is a complicated motion. It's very nuanced, and if you don't know what you're doing, you're probably going to mess it up. Fair enough, right? Right. But I understand where he's coming from, and I understand the anger and the frustration that he must be feeling, because I think this is a terrible case for the state. And this guy has been having to go through this for years and years and years, and it has just it has to be aggravated, beyond aggravating, right? Right. And so I understand his frustration. You know, at the same time, though, when you're trying to defend yourself in a case where they could take away your freedom and your liberty potentially for the rest of your life, you probably want to make sure you know what you're doing. Yeah. And especially in a motion like this, where you could potentially have the case dismissed, you really want to make sure you know what you're doing. And I just don't think he does. Right,
definitely. You can't, you know, go to Google or wherever he went and just try to, you know, get some random information. He's doing the spaghetti move. He's just throwing as much spaghetti against the wall, seeing what sticks here. Sonny Slaughter, what are you thinking as you're watching this go down?
You know, a lot of times when I'm working with attorneys and I'm in courts, family courts, criminal courts, the court has decorum. And while I understand that he is fighting for his life, pro se does not excuse understanding and following the process. This is not decorum. His behavior is really not in line with what he needs to do to properly represent himself. Come on time. Being early is really important, and knowing the argument that you are trying to argue is even more critical. While I understand that he is fighting for his life, you still have to fight in a ring that you need to know something about, and he is pulling punches and making moves that are really not in his best interest. So he is not serving himself well, and I just think that his behavior is repulsive to the courts and really not reflective of a process to get himself due justice.
Oh, you're so right, Sonny. Excellent points there. Stand by if you both would kindly, please. We're going to hit a break. When we come back, we'll go back to Florida and hear more of this motion.
Did a contentious divorce lead to a killing?
Jennifer Dulos vanished in 2019 and has never been found.
Her estranged husband was charged with her murder, but died by suicide before going to trial.
Now his girlfriend, Michelle Traconis,
Stands trial.